For this lesson, we will go over how to cut with the Extrude feature. Navigate to the toolbar above and select the Extrude feature. I have already prepared a sketch of one of the planes of the cube for this instruction. Next, select each profile that needs to be cut into the cube. Once the desired profiles are selected, pull the arrow shown on the model into the cube. Ensure the operation selected for the extrude says Cut in the window shown. Assign the desired depth of cut.